Tulip's warm welcome. It is your girl Bliss. I am following up to my hair diary, February 2024. I mentioned in my previous video that I believe a lot of the slowness with my hair growth is due to stress, in addition to a few other things. I could have taken better care of my hair. But I do think the base cause is stress, you guys. This is what stress looks like. My head is just pounding. The signs that I have noticed is that I'm suffering with extreme anxiety, lack of sleep, I'm not eating properly, I'm struggling to focus on anything, and I'm just experiencing physical aches. Now I have managed to relax a little bit so my shoulders, my chest doesn't hurt, but my head, my temples, the middle of my head has just been so unbearable. My hair right now is just not progressing at all, it seems to me. This is some of the hair breakage here that I was able to kind of capture to show you all. And like I said, a lot of this is stress. I think the regrowth process is slow just because of stress. I'm just trying my best I can to nurture and love on my hair best I can. I will keep you guys updated in the next hair diary video. Smooches.